Open new Canva project and go to elements, shapes, choose the square and change the color to black. Adjust the size like this, place it in the middle and go to text, type your text and let's change the font to Lex Spartan, on you can use any font you want. Increase the size and go to effects, outline, change the color to white color and increase the thickness to 107 and place the text in the middle. And now let's try to cover these black areas. Go to tools, draw and change the color to white color. Place these circles here and now change the color to black and try to make the black color in these areas. Click elements and go back and go to layers, place the text in the top and download this page as png. Select all and delete and upload the new image and drag the image that you want to use as a background and go to apps and type blend image. Choose this app, click on this one first, let's use it in top layer. Click in the background image, use it in bottom layer, go to blend mode and choose screen and click add to design. Increase the size and here is the final results.